welcome to my channel. I hope that everybody is okay. Today we are going to install the Windows Server 2019 and I'm going to show you how to do it with some initial setup. Alright, first thing that we need to have is the USB flash drive, which you're going to insert into your machine. And the next thing is we're going to go to Microsoft website. You can just type into the Google Windows Server 2019 evaluation, and the first link that is pop up, it will bring you to this page. Or you can just enter this one, www.microsoft.com/en-us/eval-center/evaluate Windows Server 2019. You're gonna get here. So under the Windows Server 2019, you see the evaluation is going to have a license for 180 days, which is 6 months, pretty good. Then you choose the ISO image, click on continue, and they're going to ask you, you have to fill up these forms. Just a first name, last name, company name, you can put whatever. Any of the details, you can put your phone number. They might call you just to ask you how is your experience, but I think they are not spreading your data anywhere around, so it's pretty much safe to do. Fill up this. Then when you click continue, it's going to give you a link for the download of the ISO file. I'm not going to do this right now because I already have downloaded my ISO. So the next step, after we have an ISO image file, then we're gonna go to download the Rufus, which is a nice little tool which will make you a bootable USB flash drive. You just go to rufus.ie, you download the Rufus 3.9, which is the latest version, and after that you just run it, click yes. You need to choose your USB flash drive from the drop down menu. If you have more of them, if it's only one, you see it's going to be automatically added here. We're gonna boot from the ISO image file, so we select the ISO image which we downloaded. I put it on my desktop right here. Partition shame, just choose MBR, master boot record, because most probably it's better for the older machines. If you're running with a machine which have a UEFI instead of BIOS, then you can go for the GPT, but this one is safest because it's going to work on both platforms. Everything else stays default, and then you just click start. So I'm not going to do that now because I already have my USB flash drive ready, and for the sake of the length of this video, I will just assume that it's already done. So I'm not going to make this install on a bare metal machine. I'm going to do it on a virtual machine, but the procedure is going to be the same. After you put your flash drive, which is ready with the image file, into the machine, then you have to go to when it's booting, to the boot menu and choose the USB flash drive as a boot disk. After you do that, it's going to continue to boot. Press N key to boot from CD DVD. Then you're going to choose your preferred language and the keyboard layout and time and currency format. Then click next and install now. There we go. Now we're going to choose the type of installation that we want. In this case, we're going to go with the data center evaluation, and make sure that you choose desktop experience, because so far until Windows Server 2016 the regular installation was just a regular desktop experience, and the other one was the core edition. Now if you just go to the regular, you're gonna install the core edition of the Windows Server 2019, and we're gonna go with the desktop experience. And next, have to accept the license and agreement. Custom, you just leave it default. If you have more disks, you're gonna choose the one that you want to install on. Then next. Now the installation is started. It's going to take a while, so I'm going to speed up this. It's done now, and the computer has rebooted, and now it's finishing installation. This can take up to a few minutes, not too long, hopefully. And there we are. So you're going to choose your password for admin account. You should use the letters, numbers, and the special characters, so you don't get made to repeat this I don't know how many times. Sometimes they do that. And now we should get our login screen right here. You press Ctrl Alt and Delete, and then you log in with the password that you put in before. There we go. Now it's a little easier. We can run it in a full screen mode so you can see more clearly. For me this is going a little slower today. Not sure why. Usually it's much faster. I guess it's not his day. Okay. You want to check this? Yes. You want your to be discoverable, so you can access the network. Here it's offer you if you would like to download and to activate your Windows Admin Center, which is a new thing which comes with the Server 2019. Not fan of it, so I'm not going to do that. So first thing you want to do, and yes, you're gonna notice that a fresh installation of Windows Server gets you a flag right away. And that's because just registered that some of the services didn't start, but as you can see here, they are made to be like that with a delayed start, so they are not needed to start right away. If you wanna do this, you can do right click and start services. Okay, they're gonna run. Go to the local server, and here first thing that you wanna do is to change your IP address to the static IP. So you wanna assign the IP address to your server, so you don't have to look which address the DHCP gave it every time. So like this, you're gonna know where it is, so you can establish your remote connection. I'm going to put just the regular 192.168.0, but let's say 60. Subnet mask 255.255.255. Default gateway, you want to put the address of your router or modem, whatever you have. So for me that's going to be 192.168.0.1, and the DNS server is going to be the same. One. So you're gonna use your yes, it can. Okay. So when we did that, then you can just rename your computer. Change. Let's put it. I'm going to put 2019, so I know what it is. You can join it to the domain, but I guess if this is your first Windows Server installation, you don't have domain yet. We are going to install this server as a domain controller in the next video, and I'm going to show you how to do it. After you rename your computer, you will have to restart. I will not do that now. Do that later. And from this screen, this is the Server Manager app. So this is basically an application which contain all the tools that you need to run your server. Of course, you can access them individually by accessing the consoles, but this is like a centralized app for the running. This is a local server information. Then you can add the other servers which you have in your network, so you can remotely manage them from here. By default, is coming as a with the storage service enabled. It's very easy to add the roles and features, which we're going to do in the next video. We can add. First, we're going to make this server as a domain controller, and domain controller by default is going to get installation of DNS server. So we're going to set up that, and later on we're gonna play around with the DHCP services and the other things like routing, NAT services, network controller, and the rest of the stuff. At this moment, this is going to be it. We are going to conclude here, and see you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, please, if you like it. Ciao, see you.